In this short video, we will see how Nipun Maharashtra application can help your child learn using AI tools. So let us click on AI द्वारे वाचन सराव. Here you can see two tabs. Let us select the next tab. AI सोबत वाचन सराव करा. Let us select the language. Let us select at which level we want to practice. I will select sentence level. Here there are two options. The AI can also create a sentence from where we can start, or as a teacher or parent you can also create a sentence and start with that sentence. So I will ask the AI to create a sample sentence. It has created a sentence. Let us start with this sentence. I will click on mic and read out this text loudly. आईने बनवलेली गरम खीर छान लागते. बाबांनी मला नवीन पुस्तक दिले. ससा वेगाने धावत होता. सूर्य आकाशात चमकत आहे. I will send this recording for analysis. You can see that I have read correctly, so the accuracy is 100%. It will show how many correct words were spoken, and in wrong or missed words there are no words. If I click on continue, it will give me a new sentence equivalent to the first one. I will make certain mistakes here. सूर्याला पाहून आपलं मन आनंदाने भरून येतं. किरण तो आपल्याला नवीन दिवसाची सुरुवात देतो. Here you can see one word was incorrectly spoken. If I click on next, let us see what happens. You can see Karan was the word which was spoken incorrectly by me. Now the AI has identified that that was the wrong word and it has created a sentence using that word. Let us start with this again. कारण आपल्याला उत्तम आरोग्य हवे आहे म्हणून दररोज फळे खा. Again you can see that I haven't spoken anything incorrectly. I will click on चालू ठेवा.